Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika and I've got another haul for you guys. I know it's not the best time to shop right now. It sort of is because of the sales, and by the way, I really hope you're safe, you're healthy, you're staying at home if you can. I wasn't gonna shop during the quarantine. I thought it was the perfect time to take a break from shopping, but apparently I'm a shopaholic and I couldn't stop. I mean, I did stop for some time, for about 2, maybe 3 weeks. I was fine, but then something just hit me in my head. I don't want to call it a depression, but I was in a weird state of mind. I've decided to browse online, see what's up, see what's there, see what's new. And then I started to receive a bunch of emails, 20% off, 25% off, 30% off, and all of these discounts. I couldn't resist, to be honest. I couldn't resist. So I have a few boxes here to show you. Let's start with the very first one, the Louis Vuitton one. We can't order Louis Vuitton here in Switzerland, but this was a gift from my husband even before the quarantine. I think he bought it like a day before it. It was my gift for the 8th of March, but also it was like my gift going into the quarantine. You'll see and you'll understand what I mean. But it comes in the box. You can see it's a pair of shoes, and they come in the cutest dust bag ever. It is so cute. I've never seen this dust bags before because I've never owned anything like this, but it has a little bit of leather. Even here it says Louis Vuitton. It's this velvety material, and okay. And what he bought me, oh my god, they're so cute. This super, wait, what is it? Yeah, this super cute Louis Vuitton slippers. Is this the right way? Is this the right way? I can't really tell, but they're in the beautiful blush pink color, all in silk, except for the bottom part, the sole. He got them for me and he was like, I just want you to look fabulous even at home during the quarantine, which is so sweet of him. I mean, I don't even have some expensive fancy pajamas to wear this with, but I guess I'll figure that out. Imagine me taking pictures for my Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to check it out and follow me there because I upload daily and I think you might like it there. Anyway, this is the first item I was gonna show you. Let's move on to, I think, my Mytheresa box because it arrived earlier than the other one. The other one is from Luisa Via Roma. It's right here. The box is so pretty. It was the first time ordering from Mytheresa. I received an email saying that they had this additional 30% off sales item, and I just found 2 cutest items ever and I had to get them. So they added this little booklet. It just has my receipt. Here's the box. Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by, I can't read the name, I'm so sorry, but I really appreciate the effort. Anyway, let's open it and see what I got. Hey, this is so pretty. So the first thing that I bought was this t-shirt from Miu Miu. It is very simple, white plain t-shirt with the Miu Miu logo in red. I thought it was so much fun, so cute for summer. I think I got mine in size medium just because I prefer, yeah, it's a size medium. I prefer my t-shirts to be a little bit loose. On me, I want them to be slightly oversized. I don't like when they're very tight. It just, I don't feel my best wearing something super tight. But I thought this was a very cute t-shirt. The price was also pretty good. I can't remember the price, but let's check it out. Okay, so the t-shirt was $163. I think the original discount was something like 30% off, and then I had the additional 30% off. Also, if you've been around for a while, you definitely know that I'm a sucker for a t-shirt, for a good designer logo t-shirt. I don't know, that's just my vibe, especially in white color. I think it's perfect for summer. I'm also planning to style it with my new Hermes Constance, and I have another red bag. It is over here. It's by a brand RSVP. It's a relatively new French brand and the quality is just beautiful. Definitely check them out. I'm thinking of styling the two together. We'll see. The next item that I got was from Prada. Oh my god. Was from Prada. It's this denim jacket. It is so cool. When I saw this on the website, I fell in love immediately. And guess what? They had only one size left and it was my size. I had to get it. I think the retail price was 720 Swiss francs and I got it for 360, 350. Can't really remember, but the price was so good. It has this logo in rubber and it is also a little pocket. It also has two pockets on the sides, which is amazing. I love a pocket in my jacket. It's just so convenient and I just thought it was beautiful. I love the stitching and this rubber logo in here, and the color of the denim is so beautiful. I can see myself rocking it with my t-shirts, with some summer dresses. I think it will look so amazing and just so stylish. I love it. And this is everything I got from Mytheresa. Now let's move on to Luisa Via Roma. I was gonna throw this box away, but I was expecting to have another box inside. Didn't happen. I've decided to keep it so I could show it to you guys. So here's the first item that I got. Oh my god, what is this? It's by Prada. Now I'm realizing that pretty much everything I bought was from Prada. Even Miu Miu is Prada. So yeah, anyway, I really like this t-shirt. Oh my god, it is a little bit see-through. Can you see? Yes, it is so see-through and I did not expect that. It just looked really cool on the model and I wanted a dark blue t-shirt for summer. Luisa Via Roma had 30% off pretty much everything on their website and I've decided to use the opportunity and grab this t-shirt because I think it is so cool. It's from the new collection and I'm just planning to style it with my blue bags like the Dior book tote or my blue saddle bag. What else do I have? I have a blue Louis Vuitton bag. I have quite a few blue bags, like the navy blue bags, so I thought I should get a t-shirt, like a matching t-shirt. So this is the first item from Luisa Via Roma. Moving on to ta-da-da, another t-shirt from Prada. It's the same one as the previous one, but this is in color black. And I got this one for my mom. I showed her the picture and she sort of liked it. She also likes t-shirts for summer because they're just so easy to wear and style. We have the same size, so I'll try this one on just to show you how it looks. I hope the size is right and it will fit me. I wasn't sure about the sizing of the t-shirts, so I just went for a medium size. I hope it fits and hopefully it is not that see-through. And now the last item of the haul is a huge item, a very huge one, and it's from Jacquemus. This is the very first handbag from Jacquemus that I own. I really love Lo Chiquito, La Chiquita, whatever, the miniature tiny little bags. They look so adorable, but I don't know, I find them a little bit too tiny for my lifestyle. And then I saw this one and I really liked the look of it, and it was 30% off, and the price was really good. I think it was 200 something Swiss francs, which is the same in US dollars. I think it was 260 or 280, can't really remember, but I thought the price was just amazing. And this bag is so pretty. Oh my god, it's such a perfect beach bag for summer, right? I got the one with the, oh my god, these are long. So I got the one with the 3 colors, so it has a little bit of gray in here, some yellow, and the pink straps over here. I thought this was leather, but it feels like sweat, which is a little bit disappointing since I was gonna use it as a beach bag, you know? And at the beach there is always a lot of water, and I don't want to get any stains on this bag. But this is a size small. This bag also comes in a larger size, but I mean, it's, I feel like it's this big, which was really big, really huge. Let's compare this one to my book tote. So that's the size comparison. The book tote is in size small, but as you can see, they're pretty much the same size. I feel like this one is a little bit wider at the top. This is quite a large bag, but I think you always carry a bunch of things to the beach with you. The only thing is that the straps are really long. I mean, I think I can wear it crossbody even, and yeah, it will still be long. I'm gonna add some mod shots so you can see how it looks on me, but it's so cute. Yeah, I'm really happy with the purchase, and it looks really good, so I think I'm gonna keep it for sure. I'm gonna try and find the links to everything that I showed you today down in the description box. Hopefully there is still this 30% discount on Luisa Via Roma website. You should definitely check it out. It's amazing. I mean, all the new collection, 30% off. Amazing, but they sell out pretty quickly. I really hope there are still the t-shirts on there and the bags. Definitely check the description box down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!